If you use ChatGPT as a team, you need to check out the new business plan features. You can now translate WhatsApp messages to multiple languages with just a tap. LinkedIn launches a new company intelligence API to help advertisers. Apart from these three, I have a couple of more interesting news items from X and Meta in this week's edition of the Connected Church News. I'm Nachi Lazarus, and this is the show that brings you all the news that you need to know for this week about social media and AI in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. If you use ChatGPT as a team, then you've got three features that you want to pay attention to inside the new ChatGPT business plans. The first thing they're rolling out is the shared project feature inside ChatGPT business plans. So you can invite your team members, give them either a chat access or an edit access, and you can start sharing projects and doing collaborative work inside ChatGPT. Your ministry team members can add files and instructions to a shared project and collaborate with the same context. Could be quite useful. Your team's shared project is also getting new connectors like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Dropbox. Simply connect it, and your team can use all the information inside this as a context together to make their work more efficient. OpenAI also announced about the data security and the compliance that they are maintaining with all the ISO standards inside shared projects. Meta made an interesting announcement about a new AI feature called Vibes inside Meta AI app, which is a separate dedicated newsfeed for AI generated videos. While all of us are trying to figure out what to do with the plethora of AI generated videos that are popping up on various social media channels, Meta is giving them a dedicated space. So you will find this feed inside the Meta AI app. Meta says this is where creators can showcase their inspiration and experimentation with AI videos. But this is where it gets interesting. Meta also says that you can go from inspiration to creation. So you can take those videos that you see, the AI videos that you see, and you can remix them. You can use them and create your own content. I can't wait to see how this thing evolves. Would you, as a nonprofit church or ministry, create AI videos using other AI videos as an inspiration? Let me know in the comments. WhatsApp now lets you translate WhatsApp messages into multiple languages with just a tap using AI. The announcement says if you see a message in a different language, you can now simply long press and tap translate. You can choose the language you want and download it to be saved for future translations. I mentioned to you earlier that Meta is always focused on multilingual because their business depends on global audience. So they're always focusing on improving the linguistic capability of all their platforms. So they are bringing this to WhatsApp, and this could be an important message for you as a nonprofit church or ministry if you work with multiple language groups around the world for prayer or various other applications. So share this with your media teams. LinkedIn has announced a new API called Company Intelligence API, which feeds important on-platform information back to your CRM. If you're an organization that's using LinkedIn ads to reach other organizations inside LinkedIn, then this helps you fine-tune your LinkedIn ads. The announcement says that this API will include complete buyer persona visibility, pipeline acceleration, and better return on investment. So the way it works is you need to be working with one of the analytics partners that LinkedIn lists on its website, including Channel 99, Dream Data, and so on. These partners will be able to get you aggregated company level engagement data without any extra setup. That is something the API will enable for you. This is going to be helpful for your LinkedIn advertising team. Share this information with them. The head of products at X Platform made an interesting announcement about the approach they are taking to customizing the algorithm. In the post, it says the goal of your X timeline is to get out of the mainstream algorithm and the political crusades and find your niche. Basically, what they're trying to say is they want to clean up your news feed and also help you engage meaningfully with other like-minded users who are interested in the same thing so that you are able to build a community. Now, this is not entirely new to social media. This is what every social media platform has been trying to do for the last 15 years. But here's the thing. Now they're trying to do it with AI. So this is going to be an AI-powered algorithmic approach As I mentioned earlier, already Meta and Google are running their social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and all of it with AI. And now X is taking the same approach. So the future of social media is in the hands of AI. If you need more details about any of the stories or source links or any other thoughts that you have, do DM me at Nachi Lazarus on Instagram or simply leave a comment wherever you're listening to me, and we'll make sure we get you all the answers. I'll see you next week with another set of news items. Until then, you stay connected and stay blessed. God bless you. Bye bye.